Hi everybody. One of the things I'm going to show you today is a sample screencast. That way you can get an idea of some of the types of things that you can do in a screencast. Obviously there are all sorts of things in the Microsoft products, Microsoft Word, Outlook, PowerPoint, Excel, Publisher. There's all those possibilities that some of you may be thinking of using. There's the possibility of doing a screencast of your work, say in math, that you would do up on your smartboard. But here's an example of a screencast that I actually did do when I was still in the classroom. One of the things I taught kids how to do was to burn a CD. And so I'm going to walk you through that as an example of how to do a screencast showing or demonstrating a particular skill. So I'm going to get my CDs out here. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open my media player. For most of you it's right down here and it's just a little orange arrow. And I don't usually make it open to the full screen because I like to open my next file small like this as well. And then the other thing I'm going to open is the file where I have the songs that I want to burn onto a CD. So I have that file right here. And if you're not familiar with how to split the screen between two different applications at the same time, you can grab this one by its upper bar, pull it all the way over to the right, and then let it snap back. And it'll automatically snap into half of the screen space. And then do the same with this one. Pull it all the way over to the left and let it snap back. Now you have your screen split between two programs. I have a folder open here and I have my media player open here. These are the two things I need to have open in order to get my CD ready to burn. So once I have these two things open, I see that all my songs I want to burn are right here. And I do recommend getting everything into one folder or one location. It's much easier to create your list to be burned. In your media player you have some things along the side here. And then over on the right hand you have some tabs. You have a play tab, a burn tab, and a sync tab. And sync is if you want to sync something to it like an iPod or an MP3 player. The burn tab is what we want. So you select burn. Then you need to put the items in the burn list that you want right here. So you're going to drag them over. Now you can either drag them one at a time, like you see me doing here, or get rid of these, or you can select all of them and drag them all at once. Really a lot simpler. Once you have your list ready, take a blank CD, put it in your CD player, and once your computer recognizes that there's a blank CD in there, something here will change, and you'll see there it changed, and it shows me that if I burn this list I'm going to have this much of my CD used up, and I would still have 23 minutes and 21 seconds free of an 80-minute CD, and that's fine. So once that registers, once the little blue line registers and it tells you how much you have free, then you can go ahead and click Start Burn. And it will go through the whole process here. Okay, you can see that it's 97% now completed and it's almost done. And once it is actually complete, it will display that here, and your CD drive will also pop open. Now, as you can see, the green line went away, and my CD drive actually popped open. I know you can't see that, but that indicates to me that the CD is finished burning. And that is the basics of how to burn a CD.